very abusive girlfriend. Straight up, give me a dead leg, so I'm gonna show you the bruise tomorrow.
It's my eyeball!
Man, buntag mga besh mga bay.
Sige, mamutag sa inyo tanan. Napa kami diri sa Double J Hotel. We're at Double J. Diri sa Bohol. Iuli na namo ang coach sa Safe Rides Car Rentals. So we're gonna be carless for the next few days. But we got Brian Ahern. We're gonna join him and his family in some sort of sick collab. Di kami sure kung sa'y buhaton na murag na siya'y plano. Murag na siya'y prank. Pero mukhaon sa kami pamahaw, corned beef. Yeah, check out this sick mirror. Walay katupusan ang espejo. Lalong ba?
I don't know what that meant.
Nosebleed. Sige, so magkaon sa kami and then musuroy. Let's go. Alright, so we're returning our car now. Safe Ride Car Rentals. They don't really have a sign out here on the main road. So just look for this little building. But I suggest using Google Maps and look for the Safe Ride in Dawis. Obviously not in Cebu. But they also have one in Cebu if you want to rent one there. Alright.
It's okay. I'll just find a copy here. Okay.
Hi! It's your boy Bago!
Oh, what's up mga bash mga bay? It's your boy Bago Hoy. How you doing?
Yeah,
I
buddy.
didn't know you're vlogging. What's up?
Alright, our savior picked us up here since we don't have a car anymore.
Oh, no problem. Wala sa payan.
Bash. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so Zoe, she's writing some stuff, getting her deposit from the car. And
Oh,
then,
that's her in there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna chill with the Ahern family.
Wow, grabe. Sige, kaon na ta. We're gonna go podong na mesa koan sa restaurant.
Yeah.
Na, okay ra oban akong higala.
Sige.
Sige.
Alright, Brian aheezy the island here. Not shy iro nagamay. We want to pet it because it's so cute, but it hates us.
Yeah, it doesn't like strangers. She just barks and hides.
Yes. So Brian's gonna run in there.
Maldita siya.
Brian's gonna run in there, capture her, so we can finally see her. Because last time she just hid under the couch and barked the whole time.
Morag ilaga.
Alright.
Morag ilaga. I'm gonna go capture it really fast. So, all right, you stay here. I'm gonna be Steve Owen. Oh man, is that?
That's too soon.
Too soon.
Sorry.
Rest in
I
peace.
shouldn't have said
Too soon.
shrimp on the Barbie. I'm sorry I said that.
Go capture your dog.
The bee.
Captured her.
Hey.
She's a Maldita, so be careful.
Yeah, so Maldita.
She will kind of like
Nibble on you.
nibble you. But if I put her in there,
Like a little.
what will happen if I put her on you? I'll just kind of like put her in here. Belle, stay here.
Hey, puppy.
Whoa, she's pissed.
She's really okay. Come here, Belle. She's like, what is going on? Come here, Belle.
This is Belle. Fun fact: I used to have a scooter named Belle because it was yellow. What?
What? Why?
What'd you say?
What?
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 Cutie.
Don't put your face up.
Oh.
She wants to kill you.
Oh, that's Belle. She got a haircut. She looks really pretty when her hair is like fully full. So Siggy, Belle,
Full
go.
lion.
Enjoy life. Go. Enjoy.
Back to your sanctuary.
Back to your safety.
Mom Joey's getting baby hungry over here.
Baby.
I want one.
So we've just been doing some nice brainstorming with the Ahern family about
Brainstorming.
YouTube. Brainstorming.
Funny.
No
Plug
pun.
it.
This is
So yeah, we need to get Zoe a YouTube channel, and you all gotta subscribe if you like Zoe, which we all know you do. That's why you're here watching this right now. Mom Joey, Zowie Palliaer.
Yeah, what are we thinking, guys?
Comment below.
Comment,
below.
please.
Leave a comment if she should adopt this child.
But also channel name.
Awesome.
Yeah, so yeah, after we chill, what are we doing, Brian? What's on
We
the
are
agenda?
going to go over to a restaurant, and then our friends will be there around 2.
Whoa!
Oh, she got a hairball.
Sorry, sneezed on your kid. I sneezed on your kid.
We're gonna go over to the restaurant, kaong gamay deha, and then maybe shoot a little funny video. I don't know yet, but we're just gonna have fun, enjoy the day.
Zoe ain't messing around. She's in the market for a new cell phone, so she can do some vlogging.
11. I've
Look at
done
the-
the wrong
look at
thing.
these
Let's go
ladies
back to the beginning.
Getting all giddy about shopping.
Yeah.
Or here. Okay.
Koan, same color.
The watch?
The watch?
Oh.
Oh. But if I get the pink one, it's the same color as my laptop.
Oh my gosh, girls and their shopping.
Stank face. She was like stank. She was like, yeah, it's so beautiful. I love it. Oh, Anna, look. Oh, tanawa.
Love it.
I love it.
I love it.
Freaking love it.
All right, maybe if she's nice to me, I can buy her an iPhone.
Sure, huh?
Sure, picture dia.
Your one. Oh, not your one. Your one.
Huy, you're con.
Your one.
You're kuan.
Yung ano.
Ano?
You love that, bro.
Tita Ben Ben in the house. Tita Ben Ben.
O sa ba natong lutuan ron?
Ikaw bahala. Sige, this is the chef of Brian back in the day. Brian helped her get a YouTube channel. Now she's a YouTuber.
Yes.
Sikat ni siya.
Tita Ben and Papa Joseph.
Yeah.
Yes.
Grabe sikat ni siya. Sikat kayo.
Sikat mo ka.
Grabe sikat kayo ni siya. Lingaw kayo yung channel kay puro good vibes man. No? Ayos. Apil ko pohon sa iyang cooking channel. Yeah, buddy. What's this place called? Coco?
Coco, Martin.
Sige, na kami diri sa Coco ni Martin. A Coco restaurant, Japanese restaurant. So before, Food Panda hooked us up with some cutlery. So it's, all right, my man Brian's gonna take over. Whoa! All right, so Brian Ahern, the easy Highlander, is filming. Yeah, what am I? Sorry, my brain is just like Brian's. We have ADD.
ADD.
Yeah, team ADD. All right, anyways, Food Panda hooked us up with some utensils. So we're here at this Japanese restaurant. Bust it open, Mom Joey.
And
Lay
I
it on
carry
the floor.
these with me everywhere so that I don't have to use single-use plastic.
Oh, fancy. Yeah, buddy.
I got my chopsticks for this occasion. A straw. I mean, that's actually not from Food Panda.
This is actually
This is
this is a dart blower.
And then my cutlery. Thank you, Food Panda.
Shout out Food Panda. This is not sponsored by Food Panda,
No, this is.
but you can pay me if you want. All right, that's it. Let's eat.
I mean, your Kilig's on point for sure. What to do? What to do? What to do?
Look at that Kilig, y'all. Look at this Kilig.
That's
Kilig is.
Life.
All right, we're done with this day. Kapoy na kami.
Kapway.
Busog man dito sa Coco ni Martin. Coco Martin ba?
like your son figuring out how to do that.
Iro di ay imong anak.
Kung anak, yeah.
All right, Brian. What do you have to say,
Dude,
dude?
guys, thanks for having us. Thanks for coming and saying hi to guys.
Yeah.
Hi to guys. Thanks for saying hi to guys.
You're welcome. Nice to bud. Thank you, bud.
My brain shot, man, but yeah, thanks,
My name is Zowie.
Caloy.
Caloy.
I was gonna say your love team. This is not working out. My brain's fried, but yeah, guys, salamat kayo sa pagtanaw as always. Thanks for visiting us.
Yeah, buddy.
We
Up
had
here.
an awesome time.
1/2. 1/4. Disappear.
Appear, 1/2, 1/4, disappear. Appear, 1/2.
All right, sige, mo na siyang video karon. Unta na linga mo. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Salamat sa pagtanaw og amping mo tanan.
Sige, mamutag. Hindi na kami diri sa Double J Hotel. Si Brian Ahern, musugat siya namo sa iyang kotse. Tungod wala na kami kotse, ihatag na mo ang Red Bull sa ila ha, as our bayad. So nagulat sila sa gawas. Sorry kami. Tara.
Good morning.
I hope this is them.
Awkward if it's not.
Yeah, bruh. Let's go.
Oh my gosh!
We're ready, dude. We're ready for a
Holy
freaking
cow.
party.
Oh dang. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
This is for making you wait because I didn't see your text until. Sige, Brian. Asa ta karon?
Diri sa ICM Mall.
I see a mall. Diri sa Tagbilaran.
Palitan na may og ink.
Ink para sa
Akong agaw diri sa opaw kayo.
Kaya.
Picture that. Instagram.
Tamsi life. All right. Si Ma'am Joey nag-order siya 12 kabuok. 12 donuts.
12.
Dang. You gonna finish them all?
Yes.
That looks pretty dang good. Brian's trying to snake one from her
Whoa,
though.
look, that looks pretty nifty. That looks like about onom kaduha or ogduha. Onom kaduha. There's 12 of them. It looks amazing.
Just dig in there, bro. He's excited.
Sharon! The kids are sleeping, sorry. Let's just eat our donuts.
Murag si buwag na siya. Oh. All right.
Okay, I'm
Dig it.
I'm just gonna. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, grab your donuts.
It's my eyeball. You're in my eye.
Explain to them why I'm doing this.
Cause I'm samok.
She keeps poking me, so she's gonna get feet to the face.
It smells so.
Go for the eat low. Go for the eat low. Go.
Don't go for the eat load.
John Cena.
No. Stop. My girlfriend straight up gave me a dead leg, so I'm gonna show you the bruise tomorrow.
I didn't do it. I didn't. He walked into a table. Ow!
Very abusive girlfriend.
I'm not. Sorry.
Akong uyab, maging gamer na siya.
And I copy.
Are you a gamer now?
I'm a gamer now.
Boom, and she's
Not just
about
Candy
to go
Crush.
live.
All right, so make sure to follow my girlfriend on Facebook, Zowie Palliaer. Check it out. Yo, we live.
Happy na.
Happy na di ay.
Open this.
Ready?
So look at this sick setup by Brian Ahern.
Yo, what's up?
We got the green screen.
We got the green
we got the
screen.
lights.
Here, can you
The
back up a
heater, disposal.
sec? Oh, there goes.
Alright, so Zoe's gonna play her first game
Mobile
ever.
Legends, like literally, like her startup. Look, it says create character. She hasn't even like begun,
Yes.
so it's gonna be really.
You've
funny.
seen it here first, folks.
Yep. Going live on
Okay, how do
her
I
Facebook.
do it?
Check it
How,
out.
okay.
Ayos, mayong gabi. Niulay na kami. Gikan sa Ahern Family. Did you trip?
I jumped.
Oh. Alright. So yeah, nalingaw kami. Nikawon kami sa Tagbilaran. Mayong gabi.
Hi everyone.
Wow, tambay mo. Tambay. Nalingaw si Ma'am Joey sa kuan sa Mobile Legends. So na siya account.
Adik.
Tanawa iyang channel, Zowie Palliaer. Ugma, sulay ko sa Mobile Legends, mag-download ko. And then ugma, mag-Bisaya challenge kami 24 hours. So si Zoe o si Brian, magsulay sila mag-Bisaya 24 hours.
Ay,
So malingaw man ta.
nako.
Sige. Pero karon magtulog na kami kay gabi na. Kapoy na kami. So,
Night night.
salamat sa pagtanaw. Og amping.
Are we
Bon
ending the
tanaw.
vlog?
Yep.
Like, what did we film today?
Just a little bit.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Og amping mo. Tanan.
No.